What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This key fob is going to take a replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our smart key. That's done by pressing this button here, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, we see this slot right here. What we're going to do is push the key in that slot, and then we're going to push up on this back cover. So push in and then turn and push up on that back cover. And now we can see our battery right here. And if you get a small flathead screwdriver or even like something with a point on it, there's this little slot right here that'll allow you to get in there and get under the edge of the battery to get it out. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. So you kind of tuck that edge in there first and then push it all the way in like that. Now we'll grab our back, and we want to kind of start the top in like this. That, and then snap that all the way on. Grab our emergency key, put that back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.